May I ask, ma'am, when you'd expect to leave the camp?
I'm not certain.
Bullock is honorable, Mrs. Garrett. You can trust him to see to your interests.
He couldn't come more highly recommended.
You know the sound of thunder, don't you, Mrs. Garrett?
Of course.
Can you imagine that sound if I ask you to?
I can, Mr. Hickok.
Your husband and me had this talk. And I told him to head home to avoid a dark result. But I didn't say it in thunder. Ma'am, listen to the thunder. Very good luck to you.
Thank you for all your help, Mr. Hickok.